In this video, you will learn how to set up the cube and produce the first live point cloud. Blickfeld LiDARs come with the hardware manual, the ordered version of the cube, 12-volt DC power supply unit with the appropriate connector, Ethernet cable Cat6a. The cube comes mounted on the supplied L-shaped aluminum bracket. Users can also use a mount prepared by themselves. Install the setup on a mounting of your choice, for example, a tripod. Connect the supply voltage to the cube. Secure the plug-in connectors by tightening the locking screws. Connect the Ethernet cable to the cube and to your PC. The cube is now ready to start up. The cube will now do basic checks for functionality. To configure the cube, configure the PC to use a static IP address. Make sure this change does not interrupt your network connection. Open the control panel on your computer. Navigate to the network settings. Open the Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Choose the corresponding Ethernet connection and click on Properties. Open the TCP IPv4 settings. In the Protocol Properties window, you can now specify a static IP address manually and assign your IP settings according to the following scheme. IP address 192.168.26, followed by any number between 1 and 254, except for 26. Click on OK. A web graphical user interface is available during operation. Open an internet browser such as Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. No additional software or driver installation is necessary. Enter 192.168.26.26 /. You are now connected to the web graphical user interface of the cube. The Web GUI's dashboard shows information on the cube's status, indicating whether the sensor is ready to be used, the current network status, its temperature, and a reboot button. You can also start and stop recordings. Check the scan pattern currently applied, and the clients that are currently connected to the device. On the left, the Web GUI includes a navigation bar, giving an overview over the interface's functions. Besides the dashboard, it also includes the point cloud viewer, a tab to update the firmware, the possibility to change the device configuration, like scan patterns or network settings, as well as a link directing the user to the software documentation for the cube. Open the point cloud viewer to view a point cloud. By clicking on the Viewer tab, the device starts scanning. A point cloud will be shown after a short startup phase of the device. You are now seeing a live stream of your sensor. To learn more about the user interface and how to configure the point cloud, watch our other videos.